Welcome back. This is part 2 of the process it takes to get solar on your roof and start saving on your electric bills. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, where I go through the first 3 stages, make sure to check that out. But today we'll cover the final 3 stages of the process. But before we dive in, I want to remind you that solar isn't right for every home. That's why it's always important to consult with an expert to know if it actually makes sense for you, because there are a bunch of factors that come into play. Alright, so in today's video we'll cover stage 4, which is installation, stage 5, which is inspection, stage 6, which is permission to operate. But again, keep in mind each company might have a slight difference in their approach and their timelines. But generally speaking, this is how it goes. During installation, your project gets scheduled and equipment arrives at your home. This part usually starts within 3 days of getting permits, and the setup itself usually takes about 1 to 4 days. The whole process can last between 4 to 6 weeks because of all the plannings and all the material delivery. What we tell the homeowners is it's important for them to be available during installation, because installers may need access to certain areas of your home, like the roof, the electrical panel. They'll work efficiently to get everything set up correctly. After installation, your system is inspected to make sure it's safe and meets building codes. This check happens within days of installation completion and lasts 1 to 2 weeks as well. And you will receive updates on when the inspection will happen. It's an important step to make sure your solar system works well and meets all the necessary regulations. If any issues are found in the inspection, it's the installer's job to resolve them as quick as possible to make sure your system is up to standard. Once your system passes inspection, the utility company allows you to start using it. This final step can take 4 to 6 weeks, and that's the bad news. It's too long. But the good news is it's only the last stage. A utility worker installs a net meter which tracks the energy your system produces and feeds back into the grid, and then you can start generating solar energy. Later, you will get an email with information about how to check your system and documents about your project. This is when you can start benefiting from solar energy in your home, cutting the reliance on traditional energy sources, and start saving money on your energy bills. That was the complete process from start to finish. If you're a homeowner interested in learning more, we're offering a free consultation. You can just send us an email to the address mentioned in the bio, or you can just send a message directly. We'll have a conversation and we'll see if we can actually help you lock in your rate and start saving money with solar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who can benefit as well. I'll see you in the next video.